Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a quilling sunflower. I wanted to make a fancy texture for the background. That's why I ripped a lot of little pieces of 3 different blue paper sheets and attached them on a cardboard. After the cardboard was fully covered with little pieces of paper, I cut out the petals of the sunflower in 2 different yellow tones. I made the center of the sunflower with these colors of 10mm fringed paper strips. After I got this huge coil with fringed paper strips, I made a dome shape and attached it on the cardboard. For the petals, I used 6mm paper strips and started with the outline quilling. Now it's time to fill the petals. I filled every petal with 2 swirls, and this is how I made them. I'm looking forward to read all of your comments. Just tell me, which part of this sunflower do you like it most? If you enjoyed this video and want to support me, just give it a like. Look at this! The sweet scent of the sunflower lured a beautiful butterfly. If you want to know how to make this, just click here.